Good evening, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you are not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website mpiinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market today, the Nifty opened with a gap up at 15909 and went on to a continuous rise, touching a high of 16,025. In fact, at times it did give jitters to the Gold Club members as we thought 16,000 could be broken, but then that could not be sustained. As the European markets opened, we could see the Dow futures also falling down, and we could see the entire Nifty being dragged down along with it. In fact, at one point of time, we touched a low of 15,785, but then the last moment buying actually finally closed Nifty at 15,810. I am still happy that Nifty has not broken the 15,800 level while the closing happened. So now there is a surprise for all of you. What is the surprise? FIIs bought for 1,295 crores today, while the DIIs sold for 257 crores. Isn't that amazing? I'm not saying that this is something a start of buying, but then this is something that we need to watch out. Will the FX buying sustain? That's something that we need to understand. Are they feeling that the Indian market valuations are kind of good, and will they start reinvesting again? That's something that we need to see in the next couple of days and then decide. But then, of course, DIS took some benefit of it by booking some profit and sold for 257 crores. So, of course, there was some good news in the morning, like I had shared. HDFC Twins had received the no objection certificate from BSE and NSE, but after that we could also see Reserve Bank of India also giving a no objection certificate for their merger. This came as a positive, and we could see the HDFC Bank shares rising up by almost 1%. The hotel stocks also, which probably wouldn't have acted negatively, I thought, but it has acted positively after the government announced to not levy any service charges in Indian companies, hotels. So because of which probably I thought we could see the hotel stocks going down, but market has taken it positively, and we could see Indian hotels, Sapphire Foods, Zomato, Jubilant Foodworks, Lemon Tree, all of them closed from 1 to 3.5% higher, which is kind of looking positive. So probably people are thinking that this could give more in business to the hotels than from the service charges, and that's something good, I would say. Sorry. So apart from that, we could see RBL back in focus because it was down, down by 6.8% after they reported a deposit growth of 6.37% year on year, which was the lowest in the last 7 quarters. So that's something that is giving some bad news, and that's also could be one reason why we could see most of banking stocks kind of not doing good today, because if one bank is reporting such a number, there are chances other banks also. Why not? In fact, we would see that over a period of time, Indian people have actually got more knowledgeable about the market, and they've started investing in mutual funds rather than FDs. And if the FD number goes down, I would only be happy as a citizen of India. I would only be proud that there's a lot of participation coming into the equity segment. But then, yes, this could be slightly bad for the banks if the deposits do come down. That's something that we need to watch out. So apart from that, when we look at the global markets, or I would say rather the US markets, which opened after a long weekend, today is already going into red. So if you look at Dow Jones, it's already down by 1.86%, S&P 500 is down 1.54%, while Nasdaq is something that's kind of trying to hold on. It is only down by 0.32%. However, like always I say, US markets are something that we can judge only based on the market close. So let us wait and see how the US markets close. So that will give us more pointers on how the market would look tomorrow. But apart from that, if I would say the kind of rise that market did in the morning today and then came down, gave us ample opportunities for booking good profits in the Gold Club. And I'm sure most of the members in the Gold Club are sitting with some good profits. So before we leave, let us catch up on the morning podcast tomorrow to discuss more in detail. But do press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. This is Srikant Rajan signing off, wishing you a good night. Let's catch up tomorrow morning.